Comment here? Calm down, no be me and you this matter.
How can I help you?
It's like anytime you put on this your apparel, it seems your brain will start spinning. It's not me. Calm down. There's one business I have for you. And I want you to deliver a lot of profit. More!
Which business?
I have something to tell you now, but I don't want to say it in front of your father's shrine. Yeah? Let's go behind. This thing will benefit you and I. A lot of berries. Come, let's go first. Leave this thing first.
What is that?
This guy, Tom's friend from the city.
Okay.
He's coming to the village for marriage. And you know this period is a rainy season period. You understand? So Tom is bringing him down to your shrine. So we told him that we have a strong native doctor. Now that your father is not around, we can do business. We'll collect money from him and you do the rest. We want you to stop the rain for him.
I go stop that. What time is the money?
Oh, bless them more.
Then the money now 200,000 naira.
I have not collected that 200. How much is it for marriage? If I 200,000.
The money now.
See. Calm down. I've not collected the money. We told him to come to your shrine so that everything will be real.
Okay.
So Tom is coming with him. Once he gets here, you now just do your thing. So you consult me. I will not be your new boss. You consult me. I will tell you the amount. You tell him. In fact, I can even tell you little secret about him. You can just do your thing. You get it. So once he comes, he will believe everything that you will pay. But not 200,000. That one is too big. The marriage is even. I don't think. Marriage.
Okay. Go and hide.
I will hide behind there. So he's on his way already.
They sure say this man is the greatest. If you see him, you'll be surprised. But don't doubt his size. He can turn you to a tortoise. He's the greatest digger of all time. No problem. Once you're sure with him, tomorrow is assured. I'm more than sure with him. And he's trusted 100%. Just do whatever he asks you to do. Do whatever thing he asks you to do.
This is our new business. We chop these people for this village. See, so long as you keep delivering. This new customer. Oh, God.
I brought this man here because he needs your help. And I know you are the greatest DB around that can help me.
I know why you are here.
Wise one, please,
Wait! Let me consult with the gods.
This man will come up from here now. You sure say this man fit do man.
Don't underestimate
Waiting make her dey talk. You don't say as the way that be. I don't want to make anything happen tomorrow.
No.
If this person no fit do and tell me, this one how they see how they work, how they do like this.
Don't underestimate his height.
Okay, if you actually say that, because tomorrow I no go like make the way that be like this. So.
Small but mighty. He is the greatest among all the DPS we have.
You go talk finish, you know, go happen.
No. 100% assurance. I trust him.
The guy don't come in. Hey, if I don't forget to ask his name, my glass.
Are you not the Ezemo?
My glass name.
Are you not the Ezemo? See, if you go there, go ask her name. Big mess up.
How?
As the Ezemo, you are supposed to know his name. See, you are just going to go there now. I'll brief you the details about him.
Okay.
You understand? So that you can just go in there, your name is this. He just believe you. You understand?
So, where the reference?
I don't know his address, but I know his house description. He's staying in a house where they have four people in the compound.
4 people?
Yes, it's like an apartment where we have 4 persons inside there. Then the color of the house is yellow.
What's in the name?
Yeah, his name is Jerry. Yes, Jerry.
How about his wife?
I don't know much information about the wife, but there's a woman he was trying to marry before. And this one duped him, stole his money and ran away, so the marriage did not work before he found this one. You understand?
Okay,
So what is more information if you give him? Still.
we have consulted gods.
Wise one.
Speaking of Jerry, I know why you are here. This weather will favor you. You are staying in Lagos. You are an engineer. Your ex-girlfriend thief your money and run away. But all your problem is solved.
The greatest DB of all time. Wise one. You just said it all.
But you need to pay money.
Okay, wise one. Now how much I go fit bring like this?
Wait, let me consult with gods. So how much I will take Ghana?
I think 20,000.
No, I could take the guy 100,000. 100,000. 70, 30.
Look at yourself. Have you seen 100,000 in your life before?
What do you mean? If I never see 100,000 before, my people they see 100,000 for this July.
Now, Mama, your Papa. See, don't.
You know how much this July the cost.
Okay, how much is bride price in this village? How much is bride?
See, I go take that guy now 50,000. Then I go take cartoon, I go take 10.
Even if we are going to, if you take 50, I will take it. I'm the one to take 30. I am the mastermind of this business. Everything I coordinated it.
You know, say I'm the oracle of the
Which oracle they work? Are you working? You are not any oracle. I brought this business. See what we are going to do now, For peace to reign. Tell this man 20,000 because I don't know if he even pick up our price is small.
Which I go turn 50,000, my go come back.
See.
That's the man to call.
Make sure this thing works so Obele deliver.
Jenny! The girls have favored you. The girls say you should pay 100,000 naira.
Wise one.
But me too have favored you.
Wise one.
You should pay 50,000 naira.
Wise one. As I day here now, I no carry that kind of cash. You know, day here now. All I have with me here now is just 20,000.
I've done the same job to some people here. I collect 200,000 naira. You have favored you.
Okay.
You should pay 50,000 naira.
Okay, wise one. I feel run transfer.
Which transfer? For which account? Do you see any ATM machine here? Go collect transfer. You don't see that transfer you won't do.
Chinese transfer. Does the ghost take transfer?
I will try the reason.
How much? How much transfer?
So what do you for cash now? 15,000.
15,000. You want to balance you? You cannot take transfer now. See, if we take transfer now, it will be as if cost don't take the money is for the cost now. Cost don't take transfer.
So how would you do now?
See. I don't want to. This is our first customer. Let's tell him to drop the cash. Then go. You understand? The 15K you can use that one.
Okay, how would you do that 15K?
I'll take 5.
What do you mean?
You and
Okay.
5.
I will take 8,000. I will take.
Yeah. Talking nonsense. See. I keep telling you, the man is Tom's friend. You yourself, you are not doing anything. You are just like a puppet. What are you doing? I'm the one cracking my brain, calculating and strategizing how this business will turn out.
See, if the man bring the 15,000, go use and go enjoy. Yeah, free. The money change, you go share.
Oh, they have more.
So now go now.
Exist. Very quickly. Make sure you deliver. If you fail to deliver in this business, you will pay me that 15,000.
I don't deliver already. I'll go collect 15,000.
I fit give you the 20K, may you check run up for me.
Bring it!
Okay, ma bring them.
Bring it!
The 27th no day here now. He there for my cash. I bet go bring them.
Go and bring it.
Oh, okay.
Go!
What do you accept for 20,000 naira? Was that our agreement?
It's like this guy, the guy no get money.
The guy no get which money.
As I see, I no get money.
If he no get money, he go drop in car key now. If he finish the wedding, he come carry in car.
Who go drive car? Me go drive, Ghost go drive. Ghost go carry me go carry Ghost. Which one? Who go drive car?
If you know, okay, that 20,000, how much we will share? You know reach anything now.
This guy.
What's the one that guy now? Obele. Money where that guy bring. He up put inside calabash where in front of the pasture.
Why you let him do that kind of thing now?
I tell am say bring that money come our money. Bring am. He up put inside there. Say the gods go touch am first.
Hey.
20,000.
Say what?
20 banana the guy can't give him. I even they praise the guy but to me add money. Say nothing they had. They want to transfer. And you know they know how they go take do transfer for the gods now because they get that.
Wait.
20.
So this boy tell me say na 15,000 me and I agree.
When I'm going to show. That boy is a criminal.
That's how I know.
Thank God you don't come. Where the money we put for the calabash?
Who's money again?
The money we put for that calabash. Go bring and come. Now our money be that.
More.
Who's money?
More. How much is it they give you?
The man give me 15,000. No be 15,000 me.
I like that 20,000. Shut up. Now 20,000 give you.
I know you. What's that?
20,000.
More. How much them give you?
No be me and you dey here talk am. 15,000.
More. So you dey try tell me say Tom dey lie. So person where they there they give you money. How much they give you?
15,000 for us now.
Which one be 15,000 for us?
You know that way you dey cut no cut.
We never even start. You don't dey show
So
yourself.
I don't commit 5,000 for oracle.
Which oracle?
My people oracle now.
Which your papa oracle? Which mama oracle?
Wetin concern Oracle? Concern this business what we do so.
Oracle they do contract work.
It's like we are not serious.
Come here.
Where they go?
Which one is like we know?
So where as your papa gets like it is say this thing that we are doing now dey easy.
First, then give you 20,000. You come the tell me say na 15. Now you dey say five now.
If your papa gets like go do it. See, that 20,000. Oracle don't take it home. That 15,000. We go collect 8,000. Go use that go buy material.
Which material?
So the work now.
You know material where they take the stock rate.
You must have it.
Have you stopped rain in your life before?
I know the material. Na stone. I know the material. If I go market, I go buy it. Inside that 15,000, we go outside, go chop. Inside that we go chop something and buy some.
So how much you will give us?
Yes.
If you change your man now, we go share that one. Not of us go share that one now.
If change remain,
Yes.
we sell 15,000. Go buy materials. Like how much with the materials we want buy?
Materials like 8,000 materials.
Yeah, you are very stupid.
This
You are not.
This guy get mind though.
So now 7,000. We want share for this business. So.
I still they wonder why this waiting make this boy small like this. It's not be because of all this when they do making papa turn out like this. Waiting go happen they say that 5,000 where they that place so you go bring and come.
No, not be like that now. See, you know, see, since when this thing starts, so I don't hear the cry, and I hide. You wait on the deal, see as everything there. You go comot the.
No, you know say the cause don't first see me. If he see me again, face strike, but he never see you. You were never near there. Now you go bring
don't
am.
have guns, friend. You go there, come collect them. If at all safe, maybe go just to make you short like me.
Nah, you go short. You see up here, go the touch ground.
Hey.
Obele. Try though.
When was the last time you enjoyed this kind of thing?
The way you are bumping him with, your name is Jerry. You have a wife. You live in house. I was surprised. You did well, though.
Then I want to tell you I go consult with the oracle. See the oracle here.
Oh, you are the one behind it.
You don't know.
No one. No, I was wondering when this guy got that.
Now him they tell me everything what they tell that.
I was wondering when you have.
You guys believe shut up.
So in your wildest dream, you think Obele can deliver,
I was wondering when he's got the power.
He want power. I bet it's as powerless as this beat we are eating.
I tell you, the meat has power because of it.
Okay, this beat has power, sir. Yeah.
Me sweet brother.
Oh.
Life is too though.
Where you know that guy?
Nah, the guy just come back from city. He say he want to do wedding now.
I didn't say everything this guy tell me that time. Nothing.
Okay.
How do you know that
I overheard you people discussing.
Very bad boy, though.
I was telling you everything that happened to you. I was in the bush. I overheard everything.
After you know,
I said,
I don't go my friend's side.
oh.
After my friend's side now, go buy instrument.
Which instrument?
For the work now.
Which one?
Say who they go.
The work where I want to do now.
Leave that instrument, I beg. We know who you
Okay.
be. We know who you be.
Okay. You can never stop that ring. I know you.
That's your past mark away you do.
See now, don't go buy instrument.
You
This
leave
one-
instrument
See,
to that?
then now don't they start. See whether
You want to go buy
when I don't
instrument.
change.
Which instrument you know say you want to go buy?
Okay. What do you want to buy?
The story I tell you now.
Oh, baby, order from all this thing. Our money has not finished. I'm calculating it.
Calculate. Drink one bottle. One bottle.
Mm-hmm.
One bottle.
Mm-hmm.
Come, Mama. I will go make a bring meeting at this moment.
Oh, baby,
Our money don't finish.
if we continue this business, before you know it, I will be out in this place.
Hey, this me the pepper there.
Ude, your new work is to be looking for clients. Leave the rest for me. Look for clients. Leave the rest for me.
But I never say go Yahoo.
This is a Yahoo now.
But I will go my friends.
Are you sure your father is not equally fake? Like,
my father look fake man.
I know, sir.
But if my father starts sick, you know that house where they that street, we don't build mansion. You know, say that fake they pay.
Just relax. I'll be beginning work. He will be the other from inside the house, passing the information.
Yes.
See,
We call it.
well, you know, we are fortunate enough that I overheard what you people. So this time you by chance or you know, you just bring that. I will stay somewhere and listen to it. we even tell the person the last meal they ate.
Exactly.
You can have my head, they do me there. My go my friend's side. After that side, now go market, my go buy instrument.
No, they talk of that man. You not happy anything. Me and you.
Make sure you buy the right materials. I know you. But I am certain you can never bring down or stop the rain.
See whether.
You are not a rainmaker. Oh, this mama is fresh.
Very, very sweet.
This mama is fresh. Ah!
Make sure you go to the market though. I don't know what Sobu.
No, I don't. Okay.
Tap this mama. We use this for your big money. See, next time, before we pray, listen to charge, show you fee. You know that fee to this introduction fee. We'll find something so that we'll collect something for ourselves because Billy is very greedy. Very greedy. I can they give 5,000 to the gods? What is your gods? He cannot give the gods anything.
When I was asking him to collect the guy's car, he said God doesn't drive car, but God no has no have this money.
Now this land don't carry come again. Mad go house or mad go market. See whether don't change. I feel go market now. I don't know the stop for I saw I could buy a bill. I don't know if you stop me. I must go to this market. This land don't come mad go house.
See, Ross, you better begin tell him as they take B now.
Remove your slippers! Remove your slippers!
See, bros, this one no be remove your slippers, you know. See, Wetin happen yesterday? Why you no do wetin I pay you for? I bring you money, make you. You better go tell her make him my money.
Okay, don't shut you up. Don't shut you up. Respect yourself. Make oracle respect.
So they shout like this. You see, you and this your oracle now. If I reach you now, una no go understand yourselves. Where my money? Give me my money.
Okay, how much you give me? 20,000 naira where you give me out the carry to go market alone. Then stop me. As your oracle wife be. When you go stop. Okay, your hand go clean. When you go stop me, we were supposed to stop playing. Let's stop me. The oracle wife be. Okay, your hand go clean. My hear a verse. If you know,
see, okay. The rent don't go. That one don't go. Now my money I want now. You go give me that my money now. See, I know they play with.
Don't shut you. Okay, don't shut you. Respect yourself. May I respect you. May God respect you too.
I'll give me my money like this now.
If I hear a verse, I go turn you to tortoise. And if the tortoise will go turn you, go real right like you.
Okay, you don't see. If I make 1 minute call, if I make call, all of you now, both you, your oracle, all of you now, I go carry that come up for here now. We'll see what you
let the fear the oracle. Let the fear the oracle. Wait me for a minute. At the call.
Bros, bring that money as you they come. Are they here? They wait for you. See,
You don't forget what happened here the other day.
what's happening?
The thing go inside, come out. Na problem. Na problem.
Bros, no be like this. If you get this power where you say you get, why the rain fall yesterday?
Maybe you go check your own side.
Go give me my money now.
Tom, what's happening here? What is happening?
I see the work we no better for say no do well.
My brother, this person now carry me, come bring, give one person where I no even fit. I don't know the kind of person where him be. I want do wedding yesterday. I pay, make you pursue rent for me. Now the rent what I pay for, come pursue my wedding.
You mean Obele Zemo? Eh? So Obele where you dey see here, not be small dibia o.
Bros, wait. You know see rent wait for yesterday.
That means say something dey wrong.
Okay, it's a big work. What I come pay and make pursue rent. Now rent come pursue me from wedding yesterday.
Obele do work for you and rain falls.
No be me and you go talk. If you go inside, come back. Anything where you see, I don't go.
Oh, Mister, are you sure you are?
Why you leaving me?
Are you sure you are clean? Me, I'm out of here. If that man comes out here, all bateba. You are not clean.
But why did you people?
Just take a look at yourself. See the way you are embarrassing us. Doing nonsense.
Obele, you know say na because of you and the feel rest for this time. You know why I did. I will just think. I will look whether the guy they come. I always dey on the run every time.
No, fuck up.
Now you fuck up pass o.
I don't fuck up.
Work where you say you want do. They give you money. You shop lion chair. Nobody say you shop lion chair. Work you know see do. Which kind of oracle you be?
I think the guy don't know. The guy no clean money. My carry 20,000 naira they give me. My visa well. The 20,000 naira. I don't go market go buy some instruments where I go use well. You go where I go to my friends, I go there something. I don't hide. I said I go. Rain stop me. Can you imagine? We were supposed to stop rain. I saw that right be. Rain stop me.
That means you fake oracle. That's why rain stop you.
Rain stop oracle.
So never ask you. You don't see anywhere. Rain beat oracle.
Your own fake oracle. Rain fit beat you. But in as much as that, why you don't enter the rain, still go buy what you want buy? Or since now stone you want use your pick stone for ground, do this thing.
You see, you see people like Kona.
Yeah.
When I don't say I be fake. I be fake oracle. When I bring joy for me.
And
Okay, when they
We chop now. You don't say you don't sabi the work. Like make we just stay chop.
We're not much on it.
if you don't want me, I finish this job now.
Okay.
When I go buy Fanta.
Buy Fanta.
Yeah, buy.
Wait, you want to do? Wait.
Stop. You see, I don't like it.
You want drink Fanta? Okay, let's see what you got. Give us money, go buy Fanta, make you drink. As well as go begin. Nah, from your pocket this one. I don't say you want drink Fanta. I go put the message.
Now I tell you something. Wait, if this guy come, what are the claims say?
Now what you
I will
go do
buy
about it? What
inside us, we don't say no sabi anything.
And you know the funny thing now, only 1,000 I fetch up for this one. Now they claim, I could they claim for you now, say you sabi go and only one.
Out of that 20,000, only 750 you give me. You wicked though.
Maybe it's how many meat I buy there? I buy like 10 meat in short size.
Now me too they talk.
The first time I wear they give her up. That's where to wear up slap me. I don't nearly die.
So where the money?
And my papa go help me.
Where the 5,000 sef? Bring am more tell am.
I go collect am.
He later collect the 5,000. So I talk.
He's a main manager.
Yeah, okay.
I can't talk what my eyes see. I can't talk what my eyes see.
Scam. You be scam, we know.
We know you.
We know you. You be scam. See what you go. Wait, don't talk again. Don't talk again. Wait till go happen. Be say. Wait till go happen. Be say. This guy go so dey on the way because you do total nonsense. If anything wey you fit do, make a weather begin dey clear small small. Make you start now to dey do am.
See, now what are they doing? No, I go buy Fanta.
Look the one who bring you carry give all that.
Carry.
She be give all that 5,000. No one fight though.
See, person when I go drink. You know, get chiche. You know, get.
You don't have to. I don't have to.
Client.